It's called a spoon brush. It's meant for blendings, and you get a this 45% coverage वो भी
कपड़ा तुम्हारा है, खाली मेकअप करने के बाद
मुझे एक बात बताया कि डुप्लीकेट प्रोडक्ट के बेसिस में हो रही है।
Okay, now because I have
you pick up anything and you pick up anything buying a product, you need to first check some regulatory compliance,
Okay, on the make sure
anything whether it's makeup or a skincare, the shampoo you use. So what did you check?
something what you like.
Yes.
Yeah. Which one? That's a photo.
If you just check that on most of the Chinese spurious material, that will never be there. And if it is there also, logic. मैं आपको पूछूंगा आप नेल पॉलिश यूज करते हो? कौन सा यूज करते हो? Which one? OPI. So OPI is how much? You can add bit highlighter.
Color of Photofix which is used for contour. So this color is tan. So normally for most of the Indian skins we use this for contour.
प्राइमर एक होता है जेल बेस्ड और एक होता है मॉइस्चराइजर बेस्ड। जिनकी स्किन ड्राई होगी दे विल यूज मॉइस्चराइजर बेस्ड, राइट। बाकी स्किन ऑयली होगी या फिर थोड़ा टी जोन, राइट, तो दे विल बी यूजिंग जेल बेस्ड।
We'll take the guys anyway. She's the only one who's there for makeup that will be done.
किड्स फैशन ब्यूटीफुल सा लीग है जो फैशन लीग कर रहे हैं लगातार 5 सालों से, ये 6th ईयर है। और जो हमारे एस्टीम गेस्ट भी आए हुए थे, अब नित्स कक्कर यहाँ से होकर गए जो रैप करके गए, निलॉय आए हुए हैं, वो सब कह रहे हैं कि इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली मैग्निफिसेंट जो 5 सालों में इन्होंने किया है। मोहित ने इन्होंने सबका दिल तो डेफिनेटली और जीत ही लिया था और सबको मोह लेते हैं ये। लेकिन इस बार जो आपने ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड यू यस्टरडे दैट यू विल बी लर्निंग makeup with the legends from the industry. Well, after we all are seated, 30 more seconds, and may I please request everyone in the room to kindly maintain silence as well. Should we start? Everyone is in the room. Ladies and handsome hunks, it's truly an honor for all of us to be associated with the legends in the makeup industry. They are the pioneers right from the time there was Bollywood. Well, we have Stars Cosmetics. And ladies and gentlemen, it's gone from one generation to the next. When it goes to the next, obviously the next generation, that is our generation, always thinks about a lot of research. A lot of research has gone into Stars Cosmetics, who are here today, simply because we have different skin tones. Besides, every country in India, we have different skin tones, different textures in every state, in every city could be possible. So that's the reason, after doing tons of research, Stars Cosmetics is here with their own products, and they have a range of international products because they're also part of, well, the most reputed pageants all across the world, right from Miss Femina to Miss Eco International, which happens in Egypt. They present the Miss Eco Internationals in the past 3 years. Besides that, all the international pageants, in fact, last night we were sitting and I showed you the clip with all the supermodels. Candice Pinto, who are they? Both of you. So that was an event by Stars Cosmetics too. They were taking a look at the entire interviews I'd done for Tassel. So you name it, be it the supermodel, be it a Bollywood star, or be it girl next door. We all love Stars Cosmetics. In fact, I must tell you this, and before I introduce the legends here, I must tell you, there is something known as Elastofix, which I was told when Stars Cosmetics, we had a grand unveiling a couple of years back. And this is Elastofix. Jo gaadi chalate chalate, when I have signals, I just apply it on my face. It takes 30 seconds. 30 seconds to just put Elastofix, and most of the events, because we don't have time, I only use this. So I must tell you that the cosmetics are absolutely amazing, and I think it's a great feeling to be associated with them. Only two things I carry in my bag is, because even I like minimal makeup, is Ivory, that's the foundation, you know, and they have a range of foundations for different skin tones. And that is the only thing I carry in my bag, and my makeup is done in this small bag which has 3 mobile phones, power bank, everything. So now I have a formal introduction. I usually never do the formal introduction, but I haven't gone through it. And today, for the first time ever, I have a formal introduction. Let me introduce you all to the legend. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only who are here with us. Yes, they are the most amazing couple I've ever met in my life. Dr. Vishesh Nayak. A loud round of applause for him. And Mrs. Roopashri Nayak. उनका रूप तो सुंदर है, लेकिन उनका विजन सिर्फ यही है कि सबके रूप को सुंदर दिखाना है. And that is exactly the vision of Stars Cosmetics. And आज जो हम makeup सीखेंगे is from the legends. They do it on all the Bollywood stars, right from Pandri Dada, जो pioneer है makeup के, right from Madhubala to Madhuri Dixit से लेकर उन्होंने makeup किया हुआ है, are all associated with them for the research. And now the official introduction. So I'm going to go a little faster. The brand Stars has been in the business of beauty for more than 50 years and presently in Bollywood for more than 30 years. Stars in the arena of professional makeup, offering product range for face, eyes and lips. And the USP of Stars is that it's an Indian brand and hence understands the Indian skin tone, textures and climate conditions which are based on the products, and it is then further designed. Stars is a preferred choice, please can we have you here for the photo ops, of Bollywood makeup artists and celebrities. The brand has been awarded as the best professional makeup company more than a dozen of times. Unme se have been more than 8 events I have been present myself. Our brand enjoys the patronage and support of seniors and celebrated makeup artists such as Pandri Dada, Vikram Gaikwad sir, Jayant Thakre, and ma'am Roopashri Nayak, who's here with us, Chirag Bambod, Vipul Bhagat, Sher Bahadur Singh, Asha Hariharan and Sanjay Thakkar. All these names have been associated with every single star of Bollywood. And we also have Sanjay Thakkar here with us. Sanjay sir, please can we have you here? A loud round of applause for Sanjay Thakkar, and very impressive, you know, the makeup is, it's a complete makeover altogether. So they also have a brand store. Now this is something very important because when I need to pick up something, anything in particular, they have a store, very iconic store, very close to Dadar station. It's in Dadar itself, which is in central Mumbai, where you can go buy your products and also get tips from them as in what is suitable to you. So depending on what you're really looking for, they also give you consultancy 24/7 whenever the shop is open. So, and you can learn all the various makeup techniques as well. They've been the official makeup partner for the best of pageants like Femina Miss India, Miss Eco International, Miss Bharat Icon, Miss Maharashtra, etc. They are very happy to be associated again this year with Mrs. and this year we have Mr. too, Mr. Bharat Icon. So we have 3 contestants. So we congratulate everyone for making it to the finale, and I'm going to read out a few words about the people who will be touching the faces and creating magic on your faces. Let's hear it for Mr. Sanjay Thakkar, who's a renowned makeup artist and a master in bridal makeup and hairstyling. He's trained over 700 students and guided more than 5,000 people in seminars and workshops. 25 years in the bridal industry, conducted more than 25 bridal shows. Well, he's also won the best bridal dress in Salon International and has been the official makeup artist for Femina Miss India 2017. Sanjay Thakkar. And are very lovely and amazing. I love her completely, and I'm very lucky to having got my makeup done from her. Mrs. Roopashri Nayak, who has total experience of more than 24 years in the makeup industry, specialization in bridal fashion, media makeup, trained more than 1,500 aspiring makeup artists, seminars, fashion shows across India in the last 15 years, Miss Eco International 2017 held in Egypt. They were there freaking out for 12 days completely. 20 days now. Wow, I'm coming with you all next time. Yeah. And Femina Miss India 2017, which was held in Mumbai, as well as they've been associated with our Bharat Icon family. Truly an honor for us to have the best in the makeup fraternity, because there's only one thing which is synonymous with fashion or ramp walk. That is makeup. Yeah? It's not about the designer garment you're wearing, because that you're wearing anyways, but the skin is your own skin. So it has to reflect. So the only thing which is synonymous is makeup. So let's give it up for Stars Cosmetics. I went very fast because I don't want to waste your time. I know you were seeing the watch like, what is Simran doing? She's wasting our time. I didn't want that.
No.
So before we start, a few words. Please,
you
sir.
can talk about.
A few words. At least wish them luck.
Talking to them anyways.
Thank you very much, Simran, for the lovely introduction. I think I wouldn't take much time and waste your time, because what I want to do today is that instead of having a lecturing session, we've thought about a new idea.
Wow.
That that's intentionally I got 2 artists today. So that what we'll do is we'll break these groups into 2 groups, and we will actually do the magic on the faces for all so that and while doing this, why I'm doing this is because when they are doing the makeup on one face, the remaining are observing. They can ask questions, they can get clarified. You can ask about your skin tone, your skin texture, the colors which will go with your skin tone and skin color. So you can, it will be more of an interactive learning session for personal grooming rather than just one-sided blasting of some lecture kind of thing. Yeah, that's what we plan.
Very kind of you.
So
Thank you, sir.
I would like to wish you all the best for tomorrow, and I would like to say that you all are already winners.
Yes.
Yeah. Who comes first, second, and third tomorrow is not important. What is important is you've been here, you've reached up to here, is you're already a winner. So I again wish you all best of luck for tomorrow. Have a great time and enjoy the time. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome girls and boys too. I was not aware there's boys also.
3 boys, yeah.
Yeah, so don't worry, we're going to have a
And they were
lovely
asking
makeup.
yesterday that do they also need makeup?
Yes, of course. The male models also need some of corrections, because you have to match with the rest of the beautiful girls. So when you walk along with them, you need to have a bare minimum makeup. But your makeup is not going to be lipstick and blusher and all. So it's just going to be little bit of corrections what you have, and that's it. So don't worry. So should we start our session?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Sanjay bhai, anything you would like to talk? Okay, so Sanjay bhai will take one group, I will take one group, and we'll be starting our, we'll be giving a demo on couple of them, maybe more also. You can ask whatever problems you face while you do your own makeup. Because yeah, I can see that. Don't worry, it's absolutely very simple in your case. Very, very simple.
I have to cover it up for the
You got this today.
yeah. So at the yoga section. So for the final show, I need to cover it. So I need makeup.
First start the session. Hello. First start the session, then we'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, so should we start? So can I put my table here? You have to give me 5 minutes. You can talk to me till that time. Anybody needs the mic, please, because we both are going to be here. So
Without my
yeah, of course. Because I'm here.
Yeah, of course.
Sanjay.
We can make 3 also if you want.
Yeah.
2 is okay. 3.
No,
No,
two,
we have
two.
2 artists.
Two.
if you talk about me, I have pigmented.
No, see what you're. Now let me before I start with the makeup because she's putting up. So let me tell. Let me tell you what I can analyze in your faces. Sure. You should be knowing as an artist how do I feel. Now her I feel the eyes are perfect. She doesn't have any problem in the eyes. And I mean your face is over. You don't need any this thing. A little bit of freckles what she has, that's so simple to hide with just the regular foundation. So she does not require too much of makeup. When you do too much of makeup, we have this HD range which you can use. So this is something which is completely HD and this is liquid. So you might feel that because it's liquid, it's not going to stay for a long time. But this, even though it is a liquid foundation, stays for around 7 to 8 hours. This is a very important important thing for you people. Why? Because when you're on the stage, the prior 2 hours are a stress time. You're always anxious. When you're anxious now, you tend to sweat even if you're in AC. Yes. And that doesn't last for a long time. You shouldn't do that. But see that you're very less anxious. So this is something which will help the makeup to last for the whole day and hold it well. It's a primer. The main important thing about primer is these things. This is highlighters. Must have seen highlighters. This is something which you use in the highlighting areas of the nose just to give a shine. Now these come in two forms. Either you have a powder ones or you have these liquid ones, which you can do when I put the eye makeup. See, when you have 3 colors, you normally start the lighter color from the beginning and the end has to be dark. Everything. Liners, mascaras, kajals.
Today it is temporary, I know, but I got the oil blister at the time of cooking because I'm a mom. I have to cook and I have a family. So there is a lot of things. It comes suddenly at my face. So it will be the better knowing.
Have you put lenses?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, for tomorrow we have to apply.
Tomorrow I have. Tomorrow you don't
Not tomorrow.
You can do, but normally when we are at home, you have to keep it open, let it dry.
It's different. Ma'am, dark for Western it is same. And blue
That is a
color.
western color.
Blue color. Navy blue.
You'll have to check what I want to do it, but I don't want to do it like this.
Now we are coming to another important part, which are eyes.
So tomorrow you don't have to worry. Brides will always want to look a little fairer on them, and some of the artists don't work well and they make her looking white.
So I'll be using more of highlighters to enhance the, for example, you're having a lot of puffing up over here. I'll be providing the highlighters for you. More shimmery color I'll be providing for you.
Okay, this is called PhotoFix. Have you heard of the Mac Studio Fix? Yes. This is exactly the same. So this you have to
No, I like doing makeup. I know.
It's
No,
nice.
natural makeup.
Because there's no one like normal. No, I've already have an orange. Now I don't need to use a and not too much of makeup. Not too much. When you feel it's professional makeup and bridal makeup, you don't have a load of makeup on the face anymore. It's out of trend. Less is more is the concept. Less is absolutely. You can't have a
Illuminators are the thing. I'll just show you.
Don't worry about this. You have to do a last mistake. Papa open up the menu very for tomorrow you don't need to worry at all because
Very natural, but at the high point of the biceps, so you can use silver. But at the full face,
now don't worry about this dark. This is anyway there's going to be an eyeshadow there. What we need to worry about is this, which I'm going to do that when the makeup is done, and the under eye part. Makeup in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then there is a marriage. Then we like their freckles, their skin tone. They like our tan skin tone. She's got such a and her skin tone. She looks fairer no, on screen. She has her skin tone.
She have done lots of treatments.
Any questions you want to ask
Can I do?
her? Come. So nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Look up. You see this? The
इनका भी ले लेना आपका एकता जी का लेते हैं
Okay, I'll just talk to them.
ये कोलकाता से हैं
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, I'm good.
See the difference. But your eyes are actually not become small. You know, we get used to seeing us with the round. I want to do you also. Good, huh? She's joining stars.
They have about
Good, happy?
30% share.
Come. She wants to come.
So
Come.
all she's doing now, she's got that like converted into a bigger company. So then, still 4 years, we went into the social segment.
करती हूँ मैं अभी नहीं तो आपसे फिर से मिलने की कैसे मुझे when I don't do something of yours you come to
Sephora. It's like a prescription.
in Singapore so I might use lashes
Sephora.
my lashes very nice lashes लगाने हैं
No, they're not again into
Okay, so this is quite different, you know, for us. We are in a bed. When you say, like,
you want to where only stars then you have a modern trade. Modern trade means shops like Shop and Stop and Pantaloons and all these big since 1991.
so you are already aware of the